front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this REALME device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Now choose App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps. I will go with Facebook. Then choose this switcher next to Create App Clone, wait, and tap on Rename App Clone. Then type in wherever you wish to and choose Save. Now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!